is that first class in nursing school that will force you to think like a nurse. Now, you may be thinking, but I'm not a nurse. I'm still a stressed out nursing student in survival mode. I haven't even gained enough experience to even build my critical thinking skills to think like a nurse. And you're right, that's what makes the class so hard. But I'm going to tell you guys how you can pass the class. 1, you're going to think deeply about the material. You understand that your patient has a disease, but you have to understand the pathophysiology of the disease. How is this disease or disorder disrupting the normal physiological processes in your patient's body? Then you're going to think about which symptoms your patient is experiencing as a result. After you've mapped out how this illness, disease, or disorder, if you will, is affecting your patient's body, think about which nursing interventions your patient needs to receive so that this disease or disorder can be reversed. Now next, this is the biggest tip. You are going to take a bunch of practice questions. My personal favorite way to take practice questions was to go onto the ATI test bank, click on the topic that you're studying, and filter it to the hardest questions. Once you finish the practice test, you're going to go to those questions that you've got wrong and study the rationales. Doing this will help you to pass Med Surg without a doubt. And the good news is you can do this for any nursing class that you find difficult. Peds, OB, mental health, the list goes on. Practice questions will always be your best friend in nursing school. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to never give up, and as always, thanks for watching.